Decor-x Interior Private Limited, building spaces, delivering excellence. At Decor-x, we have been transforming spaces into inspiring environments for over 26 years. With decades of industry expertise, we are proud to be one of Eastern India's trusted names in turnkey interior solutions. Our strength lies in our state-of-the-art in-house manufacturing facility equipped with advanced European technology, ensuring precision engineering, superior quality, and complete control over every stage of production. We specialize in complete office interior solutions, from concept and design to execution. We also manufacture premium modular office furniture, stylish modular kitchens, and customized wardrobes, closets, and storage solutions tailored to every space and lifestyle. What sets Decor-x apart is our commitment to quality, timely delivery, and customer satisfaction. At Decor-x, we don't just create interiors, we create spaces that inspire productivity, reflect your identity, and stand the test of time. Decor-x Interior Private Limited, your complete interior fit-out partner.